Hello everyone, welcome. In this tutorial I will show you quickly how to use Midjourney on Discord. So this one is a artificial intelligence service that allows you to create different pictures by inputting a prompt and getting the corresponding image. So firstly, of course, you need to go ahead and join Midjourney on Discord. It's very easy. Let me show you how to do this. So just type in Midjourney. They have a website, and also the second link right here is going to be the Discord link. So just click on this link, then join this Discord with your personal account. Just press on accept invite. After that, you're good to go. And in here, you just basically need to find a channel which you will use to create your images, or you can of course go to getting started. As you can see, we have a very short tutorial here, so let's read that really quickly. So how to begin: you can get a membership if you want to use this service without limitations, but if you want to use a free version of it, which has its of course limitations, you can have some free prompts a day. You can use the free version as well, but in general, go to the newbie bot channels. As you can see, newbies right here. Type in imagine. So as you can see, we type in imagine. After that follows our prompt with whatever you want to create, and the bot will send you 4 images in about 60 seconds. You may need to scroll up in order to see your created images, because at the same time as you are doing it, other people are also creating their images as well, as you can see right here. And basically click numbered buttons underneath the upscales. So let's just go to the newbies channel. And let's, for example, create. So type in /imagine. And now we are inserting our prompt. For example, ginger kitten, highly realistic. And then just press enter. As you can see, we are asked for a subscription. I'm not really sure if this service is free anymore. Back when I used it about a year ago, I remember that this had a free trial, so you could input a few free prompts a day, but I suppose right now everything has changed and you have to buy a subscription. But in any case, you now know the process of how to actually perform the generating of the images. And if you want to subscribe, just click on subscribe button. Open the page below to link to pick your plan and subscribe to Midjourney. And after getting a plan, you can easily go ahead and use this service to its fullest potential. Also, you can get answers to your question, you can participate in a daily theme, view documentation, and you can have a bunch of other features here as well. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. If this helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.